lovely necklace. This paper necklace is so easy to make. Let us make it together. You will need old beads or stickers, glue, black sketch pen. In the book, green paper circle. Fold the green paper circle in half. Hold it near the woman's shoulder and draw an inner circle, leaving a border. Cut out the inner circle. Use a black sketch pen to make designs on the outer ring. Apply glue and paste old beads and stickers to decorate the necklace. Cut the ring carefully to make an opening for the necklace. Paste your necklace on the woman's neck. The paper necklace looks so lovely.